To build a Power Automate approval workflow for SharePoint, follow these steps. Open Power Automate. Go to the Power Automate portal and sign in with your Microsoft 365 credentials. Create a new flow. Click Create from the left-hand menu. Choose Automated Cloud Flow to start a new flow triggered by an event. Set Trigger. In the Build an Automated Flow window, select the trigger when an item is created or modified from SharePoint. Click Create. Configure Trigger. Enter the site address and list name where your items are stored. This will trigger the workflow when a new item is added or modified in the specified list. Add approval action. Click New Step to add actions. Search for Start and wait for an approval and select it. Configure the approval type and set up details like the approval title, assign approvers, and any relevant item information. Add conditions. Add a condition action to handle different approval outcomes. For instance, if the response is approve, you can add actions to update the SharePoint item or send a notification. Save and test. Click Save to store your flow. Test the workflow by creating or modifying an item in your SharePoint list to ensure the approval process functions correctly. Monitor and refine. Use the Power Automate dashboard to monitor flow runs and make adjustments as needed.